This video won't start with a tagline, or will it? Hi, I am Web, and in this video, we are going to see Remotion, which is basically a programmatic way to create videos using React. And no, today we don't have any script unlike the last video, and sorry for that. I'll make sure that it won't happen again. But the content in that video was also crisp quality, and after that video, I saw that Versal posted this that over 4,500 unique agents have been published via this command. And in this list, I saw this name, Remotion. I saw it previously on Fireship. If you don't know, Fireship is a channel that explains tech in 100 seconds. And there was a video about Remotion. So, Remotion is nothing but a programmatic way to create videos using React.js. Yes, the same React.js that you use for creating web applications. And no, there's nothing fancy or nothing fake in this. You create real MP4 videos or whatever format you like from this, and yes, it's going to be crazy. And to add up to that, this is the Remotion skill that I was talking about, and this was published very recently, and it has up 11,000 installs by now. And we'll closely see what is this. So be in this video and let's start. So this skill is nothing but a couple of markdown files. I explained this skill thing in my last video. I know the quality wasn't great enough, but the content was quality content. So yes, you can check that out to understand what actually skill is. So these are some files, markdown files about different sections of this thing, and we'll try out this in our AI tool. So let's open up that. So I will start by opening up a terminal and pasting this command right here in the terminal. Let's see what happens. It is now installing the skill, fetching that from the repository, and now it is asking me which agent to add skills to. So I'll choose OpenCode for now, and I'll use global installation scope, and I'll use this symlink thing, and let's continue. So now it's added. Let's create an example video with this. So let's see how we can use this. I'll open up OpenCode here. For those of you who don't know what OpenCode is, it is basically a Claude Code alternative agentic CLI which we can use to create codes. So yes, this is there. I can switch models from here. Right now they are running some promotion or something like that, so they have kept a couple of models completely free, so you can check it out and from install it from the official video website. Sorry. So I'm going to use GLM 4.7 for this video. And what video we are going to make is that first of all, let's ask whether or not it knows about the remotion skill or not. So let's ask, do you know something about remotion? And yes, now it's checking. Yes, it has now picked the right skill. And yes, it knows about it. So, okay, so let's ask it. First of all, I'll go to a separate directory where I'll create this thing because it's sort of a project. So I'll keep it separated. So I'm now in a new directory. I'll open OpenCode here, and now I'll ask to create a video. So what we are going to create for this video to check it, uh, you must have seen the Spotify Wrapped that we got in the end of 2025, where Preetham obviously topped the charts of everyone's. Let me know in the comments which artist topped your Spotify Wrapped. So we are doing doing very similar thing, but for GitHub for now. GitHub in some way does that. Like I remember that I did the same on LinkedIn, but we'll try to recreate that thing here. Okay, so I'll give it. Uh, I want to create. Want you to create Spotify wrapped like thing, but for GitHub users. My username is web215 and you need to use Remotion to come up with the video. Come up with the video, handle the video content using GitHub API and your own will. I won't tell you anything else other than this. Just give me the video. And let's see what does this agent do for us. So it's thinking something, and after some time I guess this will appear in our browser or something like that. So let's wait to see what actually. So it is actually installing Remotion and its CLI and setting up a React project. So yeah, it's going to do something. So it has fetched some data for me from the API, and now it is breaking down the video into 5 sections: an intro section, stats section, top project section, activity highlights, and a closing section. So now it's creating some sort of components. So this is the root component, which is basically a composition. For those of you who don't know about it, you should just not care, or if you do, you can check out the official documentation by Remotion. I would highly encourage that if you have that bravery. So now it's creating some sort of sequences. From what I understand is that a composition is a combination of a lot of sequences. So yeah, it's coming up with something. For more such trying out videos and breakdown videos, subscribe to this channel and like this video so that it reaches to people who have similar kind of interest as you, and so that this channel gets supported. If we closely see, there are a lot more things that we can achieve from this. If we start seeing, we can do 3D things, we can do animations, we can import assets like images, videos, audios, we can use external audios and sounds, we can decode. Okay, this is something not related to us. We can use charts for those of you interested in creating videos to analytics, related to analytics, sorry. And then we have something. Okay, so this is very cool. We can have display captions similar to TikTok along with word highlighting. Okay, and we have then font thing. Okay, so now something is opened up in my browser. So let's see what exactly it is doing. So it is now downloading a headless shell for Chrome. So let's wait for that to complete. Okay, so this is their studio, I guess, which would run the video. Okay, so now it's rendering the video so that we can watch it. and let's see what is there in the output. So it is rendering each of the frames, and let's see the video. Okay, now it says that it has finished rendering the video. Let's check it out. Okay, so the video is out there. Oh, let's open it. Okay, so here's the output video that it has generated. Let's start this and see. Okay, this looks cool. Okay, okay, it has fetched these stats correctly, and it is showing me the repositories and finally the profile. Okay, so this is my tagline, or used to be my tagline. So yeah, this is a very nice attempt. I guess this totally depends on the model which we are using. We used GLM 4.7 and it is a fairly good output, I can say, in the amount of uh, time that we gave it. This is a fairly nice output. It also depends on the quality of prompt that you give in, and you can be as precise as you want, and you can iterate over it. But the goal was here to showcase the ability and not the actual skill of creating the videos. You guys are skilled enough to try it out by yourself. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and you can show that by liking this video, and you can support such type of content by sharing it with your friends and subscribing to this channel. I hope to see you in the next video, and till then, peace out.